What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. It's a girl Fresh and this is King Diva. Today we're going to be talking about something really special that happened to me. Real quick, I'm going to give you guys a story time related to my hair journey. I know, right? So let's get comfy. Alright, loves. So what inspired me to cut my hair and look like this chicken? What inspired me to cut down hair as such as this? I know. What inspired that? The sound of the frog? Guys, it rained for some good 5 hours this morning. I don't even want to imagine it. Like if you needed to see what everywhere was looking like, so much flood. Let me not rant, but we have some stupid ass drainage system. But that aside, that's not why we're here. We're here to talk about my hair journey. So guys, I basically decided to cut my hair in 2016. I was like, I can't do this anymore. I'm cutting this hair down. And one fateful day, I told my sister, please cut my hair. She's like, are you sure? I'm like, yeah. Are you sure? I'm like, yeah. So she helped me cut the hair. Yeah, well, she cut the hair for me. And I was pleasantly happy. You know, maybe unpleasantly happy. Like, I thought I was going to be sad, but I was happy. You know, I felt like I was being liberated from the life of relaxer. So what inspired me to cut my hair? What pushed this young woman to cut her hair short, like to barber her hair? I went to the salon on this day to do my, you know, what ladies do, relax their hair. And we had this hair stylist. Why I say we is because like she does my mom's hair, she does my hair, and she does my sister's hair. I actively started doing my hair after I cut my hair. So like before I cut my hair, before I did my big chop, I wasn't actively making my hair. I just did my hair when there was no time to go to the salon, or there was no funds to go to the salon, you know, or there was no important place to go to the queue for. So yeah, but I went for her to touch my hair. I got there, she put relaxer in my hair. Oh god, have I been scratching my hair? Yes, I had. I'd been scratching my hair so much that period. I think I had some dandruff in my hair, or like just some level of, you know, a lot of us go to relax our hair and we come back with injuries. In case you didn't know, we come back with injuries and it's not cool. Like, it's not interesting. It was mad. But you know, on this particular day, she put relaxer on my hair. Normally, once they touch my hair with relaxer, I start dancing. Like, it's like, you know, automatic reaction. But on this day, I was like, I'm going to muscle this thing. Why is that I keep sitting down and my hair will not relax well? I'll sit down, they'll put the relaxer and it'll just be there, and it's not relax my hair because I'm always itchy to wash it because it's always burning me and all that. And I sweat in my scalp a lot. I sweat a lot, so I tend to try to wash my hair more often, even right now that I'm keeping a natural hair again. So yeah, she put relaxer in my hair, and before she could get to like half of my hair, oh man, I was in pain, but I was trying to muscle it. She got to the front, you know, she sealed everything down. You know how this like pasta is down there. I lost control of my body, I lost control of my words. I was saying stupid things and I was just like, got to wash this hair or else I'm going to go crazy. It was so painful. And then she managed to wash it, but like my scalp was gone. So much hurt, so much pain, so much discomfort, and I was like, I'm never gonna do this again. Like, I'm never doing this again. And at the time, I was like clueless about natural hair. It was when my undergrowth started coming out, and I was like, this is the time. You need to decide: are you gonna go back and relax your hair, or are you going to decide to take charge and cut this hair down and start growing a fresh one and not relax it? And I was like, well, take charge sounds pleasant, And I know people used to admire how long my hair was and just like adore the coils, because I used to coil them down, and like I used to keep in my, what's it called again, setting coils. Like I used to keep it in for like 2 weeks, and drop it whenever I'm going out, I'm stepping out. And a lot of people like usually ask me like, your hair is cute, what are you rubbing? I'm like, nothing girl, nothing, I just relax and use my pomade. So yeah, I had to cut down my hair. I was looking like this, and a couple of months after, I started looking even better, and I started deciding to learn more about natural hair, and I started deciding to just know what was out there, see other people's journey, and just learn from them. And all of a sudden, it hit me. You can actually teach people about this. I mean, it's effortless. Like for me, it's one of the things I do effortlessly. You know, it doesn't pay the bills, to be honest. It doesn't, but it's effortless. So I'm not saying there's no effort, okay? I'm saying like for me, it doesn't drain me to do some of this hair stuff at all. So I went with doing it, and I remember back in uni, a lot of you testify that I made your hair in school. Yeah, you guys know yourself. But a lot of times in uni, I made people's hair. I would treat their hair. I would recommend regimens for them to go on, and they always came back to me with like good news, like this is working. Like we never thought that egg and avocado would. Sometimes we don't really know that we can do some things until we actually give it a try. So that was me just giving it a try, and it was a breakthrough, you guys. I remember while I was staying on campus in school, in uni, people would come to me and tell me to make their hair, and I remember just deciding to start putting a price on it, and I started with washing and conditioning for like 1,000 naira, and they won't mind. They like it whenever I do it for them because I do it so well. And then when I like decide to go in with treatment, they're like, but we didn't ask for treatment, I don't have money to pay for treatment. I'm like, don't worry, it's free. Okay, it's just me being kind to your hair. And they will always come back, recommend other people. So a lot of people that were coming to my room most times were coming to like do their hair, and it was cool. It was very cool. I'll put some clips showing you guys some of the hair that I even invented. I sat down and I was like, okay, you don't have a certain amount of money to get a Brazilian hair, but maybe you can make your hair into a Brazilian hair, even if you're natural, just for a couple of weeks, you could just look that posh. So yeah, I would do some hairstyles for them, and they were like, wow, it's so cute. And they have dates to go on, and they come back looking fly. Like, I was that girl, okay? I mean, I was that girl in uni. When I wasn't in class or studying, I was making hair. When I was not making hair, I was probably in fellowship. When I was not in fellowship, I was probably sleeping or reading, or I kind of had like a triangle lifestyle. But I think I did business in school. I did some sales in school. Like I sold fabrics and like skirts and stuff like that. Oh, a lot of people know that. So yeah, I did some of those stuffs, and I can say it was really interesting. I mean, at that point in my life, it was really interesting. So yeah, I just want to talk to you guys about my decision to cut my hair, to do my big chop, and what inspired it. And I started in 2016. Quick backstory: I started in 2016. I cut my hair again in 2017. I think I basically cut my hair like 3 times before deciding to just keep to just trimming it. So I cut it like 2016, 2017, and a little bit more in 2018. And then from 2018, I was like, okay, so we're done cutting hair. Let's start working on like growing out this hair. And so far, guys, like, I look forward to my wash days, especially if I have new products to review or new products to use on my hair. I look forward to my wash days. I look forward to the next hairstyle I want to do. I mean, you guys saw the past video. I'm going to put the link here, how I made this. You guys get to see how simple this looks, but like how simple this is to make and how simple it is to look. Like, I think I've been rocking this for well over a week now, and it's cool. It's very cool. Alright, loves, I just want to just come up here and talk to you guys about my journey as a naturalista. I forgot to tell you, don't forget to subscribe. Stop sneaking around. Come on, subscribe. It's simple. Subscribe. It's cheap. Subscribe is free. Hey, it's free. Subscribe is free. I'm just being weird, but like, the point I'm trying to make is don't watch this video without subscribing, okay? I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye.